Hello everyone, this is King LT. This video I will show you our new KBOX update and have the new functions for you. And this time we update the KBOX Android phone application support the Kinkonis IP camera. So you can see the IP camera on your mobile phone window, and you can control your device on, off, and the dimmer, the scene window. And also we can show your device, one KBOX device, and show you the device to the other mobile phone for your friend, for your wife, for your husband, and for your child. And how to show your device to many different mobile phone. Okay, let's look at how it works. Okay, let's look at this Android phone. We can go to the Google Play Store, and I can import KBOX Smart and search, and you will see this yellow icon. This is our application. We just click and you can install and press, and just wait for a moment. It's pending, and install this application. And now we can click open, and this is the first time we open the KBOX, and you will see this is empty. Then we can add the device, because I have this power distribution box with the H32BS, and this is the D8 dimmer controller. So I will let these two boxes add to the KBOX, and you can click this pencil, and we can add the device, and I can choose the H32 channel, because this have 32 output, and we can choose the port code MQTT, because I want to remote control by internet. And I can press this MQTT server IP and the part. This is the Kinkonis server IP. I just input. And this IP and this part is fixed, just used by Kinkonis. If you want to create your own code, so that IP and part is according to your servers. And also the device ID, just this QR code. This is the ID. We can click this camera icon and click all the camera and press again, and we use this QR code camera to scan this, and you can scan it, and you can see the device ID is input, and the MQTT user and the password is also use Kinkonis MQTT, and the password is 123. And we can press this OK, and you will see this is 32 channel output, and this is 6 input monitor for the digital input. This blue 6, and this is this one, and this 32, and is this one. So you can see I can turn on relay 1. This is relay 1. You can see this is lamp. I can turn on and turn off, turn on and turn off. So this I have added the H32B to the KBOX, and now I can add the dimmer. This is the dimmer, so I can also click this pencil and add the device. You can also input all information, but you can click this history. The history you can click, and this we have created the H32BS. And you can just click this, all information input, but this device ID, you just click this camera to scan the QR code, and you can see I can scan this QR code, and just change the 32 relay and change to 8 channel dimmer. So that will be easy for we import everything, because I only need to change the ID and the module. So I can press OK. And now you will see this is 8 channel dimmer. This is dimmer. So I can change the brightness, and you can see the brightness is changed. This is 8 channel, and this is channel 1, and I can change to every brightness. You can see I can, my finger is changed, and this is controlled by the MQTT box server. Okay, this is how to add these two boxes to the KBOX. And now I will tell you how to add this camera, because this is our advantage of the new version function. we can add this camera to the KBOX so that we can see the CCTV video and control this button at the window. It's very easy. And also you can let your camera and connect with the network cable. And this is the power. Also this support use Wi-Fi. If you have installed the antenna, you can use the Wi-Fi. And because for the stable, I use the Ethernet cable. So this is the Ethernet cable and this is the power. And now we can see, I can also click this pencil. And you can see this is a scan device. That is for the camera. I can press the scan device. And this is scanned. Find my camera, just this one. This is the camera ID, and you can see this is the ID. So this camera have been scanned. And I press this item. And you will see this is a username and the password for this camera. So I import this camera. Admin and the password. That is set by yourself, the password. And press OK. And you can see the connection successfully. And now you can see I can press this button and you can see this screen. This is the camera. I can move this camera. You can see I can see this dimmer and this lamp and this relay and the controller by this camera. And you can see this is off, on, off. Also, you can see I can change the dimmer. This is dimmer. You can see I can change the brightness. The camera, you can see when I have some delay time. Change the brightness. You can see I can change the brightness. And it's here. Okay, this is for the camera. This is for the camera, and close the dimmer. And if you don't want to use the camera, you can click, and you can enable and disable. And also you can click this one. You can see the camera window is hid, and you can open the window and close the window, open and close. Okay, this is for the camera to use. Now I will show you another function. If this is your mobile phone, and maybe this is your friend, your family people's mobile phone, and how to let this configuration and send to this mobile phone without internet. And the KBOX mainly just let you all information on your mobile phone and on this mobile phone, not save your data on the cloud server. That's for safety. So you can just see, you can see here, your mobile phone and this mobile phone all connect one load. Use this one Wi-Fi. You can see I use this Wi-Fi. These two Wi-Fi signal. Wi-Fi is Kinkoni, and this Wi-Fi also is Kinkoni. Okay, then we can go to back and open the KBOX. Open the KBOX. And you can see I can open this KBOX. This is empty, and this I have added the device. And now I just click setting and the device. And you can see this is our device. And you just click this sure. And you can see the generate this QR code. And this time at the second mobile phone, or maybe the third or fifth or fourth, you just click and restore from the original phone, just this item. And you can use this mobile phone to scan this QR code, just like this. And you can see add date successful. And you can click OK and back to the home. And you can see my mobile phone, you can see all is switch is add. And the dimmer and the camera, you can see I can click, and the camera also can be used. So this time, the first mobile phone, you can see I can turn on the lamp and turn off the lamp. And also I can change the dimmer. And you can see I can change the dimmer, and close the dimmer. So now you can see I can use two mobile phones at the same time. You can see I can turn on relay 1, and then you can see the state is auto update, and turn off relay 1, turn on, and then turn off. So this is for multi-user. No limit. You can use many mobile phones. The second and the third and the fourth and the fifth and the sixth are no limit. So you can use many mobile phones, work at the same time with the controller and the camera, and you can use by yourself and change icon, change name, and change the sort by yourself. Okay, this is what is the news of the KBOX. Okay, thanks for watching.